Bonjour à tous. Hola a todos. Привет всем. Hello everyone. Please, I know most of you will be wondering what I'm trying to say. What I just translate to you is hello everyone. I'm not trying today to teach you on how to speak various languages, but today I'm trying to teach you on how to speak, on how to write, on how to think like a programmer, on how to write coding. Okay, these languages that I use now are languages from Spanish, French, Russian, and English. So we understand these languages because we learn them, we love them, we practice them, and we use them. So today I'm going to give you a practical information and knowledge on how you can learn coding, understand what is the coding, what is coding used for, why do we want to code, and what are the benefits in coding. It's simple. So stay tuned as I walk you through. So before I share my screen with you, I want to tell you, if it's your first time visiting my channel, if this is your first time coming across my video on YouTube, on Instagram, please, I recommend you to click on the notification button, click on the subscribe button, send me a friend request so that I can add you to my account and you can be able to contribute, share, like this video so we can spread these positive vibes all around to different people so they can benefit from this free information. Like we say, information is what is power. So stay tuned as I show you the meaning of coding, what I'm trying to say. So today I'm going to talk about what we call HTML visuality by Dr. Solomon. Please permit me to introduce myself to you. I am Solomon. So I am your doctor, your instructor of the HTML program. So I want to make a quick, sharp video for you to give you the plan and the outline of what will be coming up in our various lessons. So I named this first lesson as HTML Visuality by Dr. Solomon 1.0. So you can call it first 1.0. This program is made for children at the age of 10 and above and adults, whatever age. And this program is made for everybody. Doesn't matter your knowledge in computer programming. Doesn't matter if you are a tech giant or a tech genius, whoever you are. The important is your attention is needed for you to be able to move forward and learn coding. It's simple. I'm going to break it down to the simplest form that everybody can understand. So let's move directly. So coding. And what is coding? Coding is very simple. Like what I explained in my past video, please, if you have not watched the video, I recommend you to go back to the video and check them, and you see the differences and the explanation they give in coding. Coding is not something big and tedious. Coding is an instruction or set of instructions given to the computer that the computer understands and performs. It's like a command written by an individual, you and I, that the computer receives through an input device, which is the keyboard, and that input device prints the information in binary forms that the computer understands and translate that information into a function that comes out as a result. So it is simple. Just you want, for example, you want a program that delivers text to speech recognition. You write something in text and it comes out as a voice. You can write your name in text, like you're typing your name, and you can build a code that will translate that text message you wrote into voice translation. So when you type any text, it will be coming out as a voice. So you can do anything with coding. You can use coding for everything. Let's go back to the second question. What is coding used for? Coding is used for everything. Coding is used for, first and foremost, for building mobile apps. What I mean, mobile applications, mobile informations. Now we have, let's say, the two high programming or platform we have, operating system for phone, mobile phone is, we have the Android and the iOS. which is for iPhone. So you can use coding knowledge, your knowledge in coding, to build an app for Android or build an app for Apple iOS operating system. So it can be used to build different apps, different applications. Secondly, coding can be used to build websites. So all web pages that you see, Google, Amazon, eBay, name all these big websites you see today, they were built using HTML codes. They were built using CSS codes. Most of them have been used using the advanced programming language called Python of today. So we are going to learn HTML for this course, and the next course we are going to talk about other programming language. But first, let's build the basics of coding. So it will be easy for you, because if you understand the basics, the foundation of coding, you can be able to translate the information when you are making use of complex programming language like Python, C#, C++, Oracle, HTML+, or you're talking about JavaScript. So coding is used for web designing, web pages. Coding is used for graphic designing. Coding is used for data analysis. Coding is used for a lot of things. So whatever thing whatever idea you have, you can design that idea using coding, and it will be used by various people through computer, through your mobile phone. So let's move forward. I have a course plan for everyone. My course plan will be for how to make money online coding 1.0. Coding course plan will be introduction to the internet. 2 will be what the internet offers. 3 will be introduction to the web. 4 will be getting connected. 5 will be reasons for creating web pages. 6 will be steps for creating web pages. 7 will be web page content consideration. 8 will be know your what? Your audience. This point is very important for those who are business inclined, who wants to start up a business, who are having an idea to build an app. You need to know who you want to build an app for. You need to know who you are building your coding for. You need to know who you are building your website for. This is very important. So number 9, plan a home page. 10, introduction to HTML. This is where we are going to discuss and practicalize what we are trying to do from number 1 to number 9. So whatever plans we have, you have to write it down, and we display it with the introduction to HTML. View HTML code for web pages. That is secondly. That's where we are going to use it. Layout of web pages. How these web pages are laid out. How are they designed? What is necessary? What are the products we need? Team gives us the final conclusion of programs for creating web pages. What programs? What applications? What things you need to design a web pages? So these are all the outline of all we're going to go through. So I give you a cut about the entire plan. So I will advise you to stay tuned, stay connected, click on the like button, subscribe, and stay at alert for my next video, because my next video will be talking about introduction to the internet. I know most of us have the ideas, but I want to bring the steps and explain to you what the internet is all about, because nowadays, in this present time, the internet is all we need to make success. Internet has everything. Everybody's using internet. So with internet, you can make passive income. So remain blessed. I hope you enjoyed my program today, and I hope to see you in the next video.